So I needed to send my CV, but it would only accept PDF files. So I nearly paid for it. One was £8 and then it was £1. Well, then I remembered this. All we have to do is go, this is the CV I want to send, but it don't matter, they're both PNGs. I might do it for JPEGs, there's all sorts of different file systems. All we have to do is right click on it. This is Windows 11, I ain't used to it. So show more options, print, and instead of printing to your printer, print to PDF. So there you go. Let's call it CV. Put it on the desktop. So you've got a built-in PDF converter. I forgot all about that. And there it is.